my day has been interrupted by this discovery that Google have released Gemini 2.0 Flash experimental, and one aspect of that is the ability of it to read what's on your screen, which has got possibilities for DIY investors. And I'd like to try a little experiment because I'd be interested to see if it can read a chart from ShareScope. So let me share my screen, and here we're in the Google AI Studio, as you can see, and stream real time is an option, and it then gives us three sub options: talk to Gemini, show Gemini via the webcam something to analyze, or share the screen. Now before we do that, I'm going to do a couple of things. I'm going to turn on grounding, which enables it to search via Google anything that it might need to know, and I'm going to switch on code execution so that if it needs to write any programs in the background to analyze anything that I ask it to do, it can do that as well. You can see here that on the right hand side it's got Gemini 2.0 Flash experimental, and I'm going to ask it to act as an expert in technical analysis using Elliott Wave principles. So we will share the screen. We'll go to the Chrome tab with ShareScope. There we go.
Okay, so you're looking. Okay, I see a chart with a graph, and it appears to be a stock chart with various indicators.
That's it.
There's also.
Wait a minute.
It looks like you're viewing the S&P 500 index chart on a share trading platform called ShareScope.
Indeed. You're now looking at 50 years of data, and I'd like you to analyze the chart using Elliott Wave principles and give an opinion as to where you think we are now.
Okay, you would like me to analyze the S&P 500 chart using Elliott Wave principles and offer my opinion on where we are now based on that analysis. I can do that for you.
Good, go ahead.
Okay, based on Elliott Wave principles, the S&P 500 chart appears to be in a late stage of a long-term bull market. The massive upward trend that started around 2009, with an accelerating rise in the last few years, suggests a mature fifth wave or even an extended wave 5. There's a possibility we're in the terminal part of this move, potentially with one final push higher before a larger correction. However, it is just an opinion, and you should consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions.
Let me zoom in to the area from 2009 onwards. Can you look at this in the context of what you've just said and analyze the subwaves for us?
Okay, I see the area you've highlighted from 2009 onwards. Analyzing this section with Elliott Wave principles, within the larger upward trend, we see a clear impulsive wave pattern with 5 subwaves. There's a strong initial move upward followed by a slight correction, then wave 3 makes a strong move up, then a smaller wave down followed by the final extended fifth wave, which leads to the high that we see. These subwaves suggest we've been in a continuous bull market, as I said before, that may be coming to an end.
When this wave 5 finishes, or a gentle drop?
Based on Elliott Wave principles, when a fifth wave completes, it is generally followed by a correction that can be a sharp drop or a more gradual decline. Given the length and strength of the current bull market, a sharper drop would be more likely.
That's very helpful. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that's it. Thank you.